Hello and welcome back once again to my channel Biology with Dr. Pankaj. If you are new to this channel, then please do subscribe to the channel to get most updated videos on all aspects of life sciences. So first we are discussing about Droop here, then we will discuss all these things. But before we start discussing the Droop in greater details, this is berry. Hes is the short name for Hesperidium. So this is Hesperidium. P is Pepo, we will discuss all of them. This Po is Pome. This Bell is Bellosta. This M is Amphisacchara. One by one, I will discuss each of them. Okay, first Droop. So as we know, Droop is the most important distinguishing feature of Droop is this. Hard and stony endocarp. Also juicy is mesocarp, but a basic thing is the endocarp. Okay, now let us see some more examples of Droop. Peach. So first is mango, second example is peach. Peach, scientific name is Prunus persica. Okay, if you think about peach, peach also follows the same thing. Peach has this exocarp and it has endocarp, very solid endocarp. When you eat the peach, you will find this very hard stony endocarp, and the mesocarp is juicy. This is mesocarp. When you break this endocarp, when this endocarp is broken, when you break it, then you find inside this there is seed. So peach is also Droop. But mesocarp is fleshy in mango and peach, but it is not always the case. Many times there are examples of the Droop fruit where the mesocarp is not juicy. In some cases, mesocarp is dry also. When it is young, it is fine, but when it matures, it becomes drier. And in some cases, it even becomes fibrous. Let us see those examples. Okay, so first one example is mango, second is peach. And as I said, there are certain examples where the mesocarp is not fleshy, it is dry, and in some cases it is even fibrous. Third example of the Droop fruit is almond. Now you might be surprised, almond, but almond is also a Droop. Almond, the species scientific name is Prunus again, Prunus amygdalus. This is a species of almond or badam. So main important feature of the Droop is the hard and stony endocarp. Like in mango, the commonly called as, in common language, or we call it that part, gutli, that is the commonly used word here in mango, the gutli solid, that is endocarp. And inside endocarp, there is the seed. Same here again in peach also, this is endocarp, and then almond. When almond, if you see the almond is same genus like your peach. When it is like young, means in starting stage, when it developing stage, it is like this green color. So this is the exocarp of almond, exocarp. And then the mesocarp become drier. This is mesocarp which become dry. And then again, since it is a Droop, it will have same thing, which is this endocarp. commonly called as gutli, as I said. And when it is broken, this is endocarp, hard and stony. When it is broken, it will have seed, which is the seed which we are familiar with, which is almond, which is eaten. This is almond, right? So we have seen the examples, peach, almond. One more example of the drupe is, so now I will remove this. So one more example of drupe. So this is 1 mango, 2 peach, number 3 almond, number 4, so I'll write here number 4 is walnut. Now you might be surprised that walnut looks like it is a nut by name, but walnut is not a nut. Nut is a type of dry fruit. Now simple, we have fleshy and dry. So nut is a type of dry fruit. We will discuss about nuts there in biology, in botany. Many times commonly used names are not the real types of fruits, like a strawberry. Strawberry is not a berry at all. When we discuss berry, we will understand that concept. So walnut, the scientific name of walnut is Juglans regia. Now walnut again is like almond when it is young, like this, means this is the outermost, this exocarp. After fertilization, this is exocarp, which is green, and inside exocarp there will be again endocarp, which we are familiar with. The walnut is also known as akhrot. So when this round endocarp, so what we have, if it is not broken, this is the endocarp of walnut, endocarp. And when we break this endocarp, this is dry area, mesocarp is dry, mesocarp which is dry, not eaten. Endocarp is the cover, and when this is broken, this endocarp is broken, then what we find inside, we find the seed of the walnut, which we basically eat, the seed of the walnut. So this is basically is eaten. So this is the seed of the walnut seed which we eat. This is walnut and this is the endocarp. Since it has hard and stony endocarp, which is the most important feature of a drupe, this is an example of drupe. So we have seen different examples: mango, peach, almond. Almond is again not a nut, botanically speaking, and walnut. And the last example I will discuss with you is coconut. Again, coconut looks like a nut, sounds like a nut basically, but it is not a nut, it is an example of drupe. So we have various differences of varieties of drupe, but the most common feature in all is the hard and stony endocarp. Now let us make the coconut. So I will draw coconut here. Here, this is sufficient place for coconut. So 5 examples of the drupe. Number 5th is coconut. Scientific name is Cocos nucifera. Cocos nucifera. Now, if you see this fruit, Cocos nucifera, this is the green part, which is the exocarp, obviously, as you are now familiar with. The middle part is the mesocarp of any fruit. The middle part here is fibrous. It is like these fibers, also called as coir, C-O-I-R, coir. This is used for various economical purposes, for making different materials, use in various ropes and all other things, fillings. This is coir, which is the mesocarp. So this is mesocarp. Here you can see the mesocarp is fibrous. In mango, the mesocarp is juicy. In coconut, it is fibrous. And then after mesocarp, there is the endocarp. Now this is the endocarp, which is hard and stony. So this is which is the characteristic feature of a drupe, endocarp, which is hard and stony. And this is broken. When it is broken, it gives the liquid endosperm, and inside this there is a meat, white color meat. This is the meat. Inside it's a part of seed. There is embryo also, and there is liquid endosperm, part of seed, endosperm, which is triploid. So this is basically the coconut, Cocos nucifera. Again, it is an example of drupe. So here we have seen 5 different examples of drupe. The most important distinguishing feature is the presence of endocarp or gutli, as we know it, common word. So now you can see that your almond is not a nut, walnut is also not a nut. These are examples of drupe. Right. Okay. So now after this we will discuss the second one. After drupe, the second fleshy is berry. So now we will go to the berry.